Welcome to Herb of the Week, Remedy of the Week. It's Mindy Bridgman here, Naturopath. Today I'm talking about something that I use in practice all the time. It's a herbal medicine called Gotu Kola. So what is Gotu Kola famous for? Well, I love to use it for wound healing. I love to use it for tissue formation, and I love to use it to get rid of scars, as a vulnerary for skin issues, and as an anti-oedema herb. So it gets rid of lymphatic congestion, helps with swelling, and helps to clear up those wounds. Very, very powerful herbal medicine. Thanks for watching.